Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on Emporia SMART 5. So if you don't see your WhatsApp, the Bluetooth device, always start from the simplest way, so restart your Bluetooth connection. You can also try to restart your phone. You have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated pair mode, and how to activate it you will find a manual to your device, or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory shall be visible for other devices. But it's still not for your phone. Let's open settings, then go to the reset options and select Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Tap on the reset settings button and tap this button again. In the next step you can also try to up your system, so go to the settings like before and select, I'm not sure, let's find it by this search bar. Okay, I think there is no options to update it by the... Okay, there we have somebody in the Apple phone, okay. So, check that you have any updates by this button, and if you have any, just install it and check your Bluetooth device again. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.